Hey guys, I want to show you how to use MyTradingBuddy during London session. So what I have here is Nasdaq futures open. I do multiple time frames at once to get the most out of the AI analysis. So we have 1 hour, 15-minute, 4-hour, 2-hour. You can adjust these whatever you want or just do a single time frame. They all will work the same. To get the best results, I will do this 4 different slots of time frames. So what you're going to do is create a chat. As each session opens up, maybe I recommend to do a new chat so you're more organized and you don't confuse maybe old data with the new data. So what you're going to do is choose one of these AI image analysis tools, chart analysis, SMC, setup scanner. I just mostly do chart and then some institutional ones. And so here you have auto capture, which I recommend to do first. You can choose the number of screenshots you want to take and the time frame after one is analyzed when it will take the next AI image analysis. So here I'll do 3, no delay, so it will go back to back to back. Once one is finished, it will take the next screenshot. And so I just start it, let it go, and then probably take about 4 minutes. It's usually send a screenshot, wait 30 to 45 seconds. The AI will come back, tell its idea. The AI will take another brand new screenshot once all the thinking is done. And then, the price may have moved by then. So it will give you a fresh new look. Each are individual new looks at the chart, especially when the market is moving. You need to have this. So like when you're trading, you can turn on auto capture and just constantly run it if you want. But you just need the data really. And once you see all the levels and what's going on, if you're an experienced trader, you can kind of already figure that out. What I mean is, like, obviously this here is Nasdaq futures. This is where I'll be trading. And you can kind of see, like, okay, there's some resistance right here at this level. 1, 2, 3 times. We'll see if it pushes past. And like if the AI was saying short or long in this area, you would know. But anyways, we got a long right here, first one back. Once all two more are back, I'll tell you all the analysis. So we'll wait a moment. Up here, you can see that 3, 2, 1, since there's no delay on the auto capture, it just means it's getting ready to take the next screenshot and then takes. And same process. The AI consensus right here is only off 1. This is why I recommend to take at least 6 to 7 AI image analysis so you can really dial in this AI consensus. And also, when you talk and type with the AI, now we're going to have 6 or 7 AI image analysis data that the AI can think through each of them, help answer questions, let you know what's going on. So I'll now update you once I get back the 2 other ones right now. Okay, so all 3 have come back. Now the price didn't really move that much, 52, 50. It just started to pump a little at the 60. So they're all roughly the same idea, 650. So we have 585 to 610, 780, 580, 610. The stop loss is a little different, 580, 600 right there. So a little 10-point different. Now I'm going to run setup scanner, which is the institutional one. Once again, you'll get all of these. In your trading plan, you can toggle on and off different AI image analysis. Just do chart analysis, that's default. And then maybe if you're an ICT trader, do SMC. Also, I recommend probably setup scanner right here. And that's really all you need, I would say. Chart analysis, setup scanner, maybe SMC right here. I'll choose setup scanner. I'm going to run 2 or 3 AI image analysis, and then I'll update you once all 3 are back. So it did go up a little 10 points, but then came back down to 50. So let's see what institutional lens of the chart analysis it will come back with. Okay, so now they all three came back, and it's all saying roughly the same thing, which is actually a good sign that there is a really good bullish structure right now. It's all saying around 580, 620, little difference with the stop loss, little difference with the take profit. But now we have this AI consensus right here. And so we have 595, 534. And so what I really do is I come in here and I draw it up. So it's like 534 right here. And then this would probably be the last area to really look for a long. Right now we have 580 to 610 or even 620 right here. It depends how aggressive it is. Now we did get a huge sell right here. So it could come down, test this right here, which is 630, which it is. If it fails there, then it could come down to the 620 level, test it, and it depends on how strong it is. It could just go from there. Or right now, AI still wants 580 to 610, and pretty much we're trying to see a pin at this level. So obviously, if this was green, it would be a pin, but we're trying to see a pin around in here that will confirm that this long will go back up to the 720, 742 level. Obviously, if this 490 breaks, this is the stop loss overall. So you can see the consensus 490. There was a lot of 480, 490, etc., even 510. If that breaks, then this whole bullish structure could be invalid. And that's where we can start looking for shorts. Right around here, if we still see a lot of selling, then it could come back down and really go after this. But right now, it's looking pretty bullish. Probably come back down here to 580 since there's a lot of support there, even previous earlier today. Probably around here, want to see a pin and then potentially come back up and get this 720. If it's still going, 740, 782 level. And so now you can ask questions too. So you can save like custom prompts or custom thinking within a quick message here. And I already have some, so I'm going to use my typical one right here. And the AI will take this, all the chart data, give me back what I want as a trader, and I can draw it up from there. So it came back and it thought through all the data and give you this, if you want to be aggressive, 575, 595, conservative right here, 530, 570, and all this information right here. And so this is a little different than, what these were saying. It's a little lower with the entry, 75, 85, potentially down, 550, etc. You can ask it what stop hunts might occur before going up. This is London session. And whatever question you have, it can really help you think better as a trader. So you can always confirm what's going on in the charts. Obviously, still a lot of selling. There was some large volume of selling right here. Holding this 620 shelf. If this fails, obviously 610. If that fails, obviously 590 to 580 right here. Maybe one last stop hunt at the VWAP or a little below, like this area. And around here, we could see one more final pin and then try to kick up and see if we can get past this resistance right now, which is 650. 720 is the breakout zone. So up here, you have quick reminders. This is breakout. This is invalid down there, buy side, sell side, etc. So this is 580, 585, where it could be a shallow stop hunt. Scenario 2, 500, VWAP lower band, medium, which is 480, 500. And then, obviously 500 right there. So it's supposed to help you really think better as a trader. right now, this is the stop hunt. This is where mathematically the bull structure would end. If it does get very aggressive with the selling, it could come here, wick this real quick, but then if this is the last kind of stop hunt, it should snap back very, very fast and recover back to this 500 level right here, and then start its ascent back up to really go after the 720 buy side. This could be a breakout and go after, 782 or maybe 800 today. So yeah, that's really how you're going to use it. It's supposed to enhance your abilities as a trader, using AI to crunch the numbers for you, analyze the charts, see what's going on, and really for you to finally, as a trader, take action on the trade. So maybe it tries to temp right now. We'll see. But we're still looking at this area right now as an entry for a long. If you want to start using AI like this, you can sign up at mytradingbuddy.ai to get started.